Hi, I'm Chuck Warrington, a director with Colliers Project Leaders.
And I'm Kate Turner, a project manager with Colliers Project Leaders.
For the past 7 years, Colliers Project Leaders has had the honor of assisting the South Windsor School District with developing and implementing their elementary school master plan. With the completion of Phase 1 and Phase 2, Orchard Hill, Eli Terry, and Philip R. Smith schools are now open and operational. We're currently in Phase 3, designing the Pleasant Valley Elementary School, which is slated to go into construction in January 2022 with a fall 2023 opening. This collective process has been led by Superintendent Dr. Kate Carter and the South Windsor Board of Education, in addition the South Windsor Public Building Commission, and the support of the South Windsor community.
These innovative spaces feature advanced technology in the classrooms, breakout spaces throughout the building, and other creative features to support the needs of our students. An additional advanced feature of this building that's behind the scenes are the mechanical systems. They feature advanced building automation systems, allowing for personalized control from anywhere in the district. One innovative feature that was integrated into the building was radiant heating within the floor to keep our youngest students warm and comfortable during story time. Managing complex projects like this takes flexibility, advanced planning, and creativity, and that is where Colliers Project Leaders comes in. Our tried and true management process successfully takes a project from concept to completion, on time, under budget, and within the highest quality standards. I'm proud to say that 7 years and 3 schools later, the South Windsor Master Plan is still on schedule and $2 million under budget. One of the most amazing things about this program has been watching how the South Windsor community has rallied together to support its youngest residents. Each phase has been more successful than the last, averaging 80% voter support during referendum, which is unheard of. Our purpose at Colliers Project Leaders is advancing the built environment. But to me, that means more than just the physical buildings themselves. I can tell you from personal experience, there is nothing more rewarding than seeing the look in a child's eyes when they get to experience their new school for the first time.
There's nothing more rewarding than watching the kids come into their classroom, seeing their desks, seeing the technology, and getting excited for that first day of school. But also watching the parents with them being excited and knowing their children are coming into a state-of-the-art, brand new school that's going to be healthy and grow their children the way they want to grow them. And that's what advancing the built environment is all about.